Chapter 1, Module 2. In this module, you will learn about computer languages. Language is a medium of communication. It is a medium of interaction and exchanging ideas. Hindi, English, German, French, etc. are the examples of human languages. Each language has its own alphabet to represent sounds. How does a computer carry out different tasks? A computer needs a set of instructions or commands to carry out a task. The set of instructions to carry out a task is called a program. How can we instruct a computer? A computer cannot understand human languages. We must know a special kind of language called computer language or programming language to instruct a computer. What is a computer language? A computer language or programming language is a formal language which comprises a set of instructions for a computer that produce various kinds of output. Java, C++, Python, Swift, SQL, Perl, PHP, etc. are some of the popular computer languages. Types of computer languages. Computer languages are basically classified into two types: low-level languages and high-level languages. Low-level languages further divided into machine language and assembly language. Machine language. Machine language is a set of instructions written as a pattern of bits 0 and 1. It is also known as binary language as it uses only two symbols 0 and 1. It is a low-level language. This is an example of machine language program. Features of machine language. Machine language is a set of instructions written as a pattern of bits. It is the most primitive or basic computer language. Machine language is the only language a CPU can understand without any translation or conversion. It is a machine-dependent language. It is different based on the internal architecture or internal design of the computer. Only engineers, mathematicians, and scientists, those who know about the internal design of the computer system, were able to do machine language programming. Assembly language. Assembly language developed in 1950s and was called as second generation programming language. It enables a programmer to use symbolic representation called mnemonics. It is a low-level language. This is an example of assembly language program. Features of assembly language. It enables a programmer to use symbolic representation called mnemonics. It is also a machine-dependent language. It is easier than machine language to correct errors and modify instructions. A computer cannot understand assembly language directly. It requires a translation program assembler to convert assembly language into machine language. High-level languages. High-level languages are instructions written in English-like language. It made the computer a general-purpose machine. It is easier for a human to understand. Java, C++, BASIC, Fortran, etc. are some of the high-level languages. It is an example of high-level language program. Features of high-level languages. Instructions are written using English words and mathematical operators. High-level languages are easier than low-level languages to use. High-level languages are not machine dependent. They are more portable across machines. A computer cannot understand high-level language directly. It requires a translation program for converting into machine language. Compiler and interpreter are the programs used to convert a high-level language into machine language. Fourth generation language or 4GL. A fourth generation language is a programming language or environment developed for a specific purpose for certain type of work such as database management, report generation, graphical user interface development or web development. It is mainly used for the development of commercial business software. Oracle, SQL, Focus, etc. are the examples of fourth generation languages. Features of fourth generation language. Fourth generation language developed for specific purpose. It reduces programming effort, time, and total cost of the software development. It uses graphical interface and icons. Processing of computer language using translators. A computer cannot understand high-level language. It only understands zeros and ones. To make the computer understand a high-level language program, it is first converted into machine language. The process of converting a high-level language into machine language by a translator is called decoding. Types of translators. There are three types of translators: assembler, compiler, interpreter. Assembler. An assembler converts a program written in assembly language into machine language. Compiler. A compiler converts a high-level language program into machine language. The code written in high-level language is called program code. A compiler translates a program in a step-by-step process. Interpreter. An interpreter converts a high-level language program into machine language. It translates a program in a step-by-step process. It is slower than a compiler. This is the end of this module. Stay safe, stay home.